fuel injectors deliver precise fuel flow, improving engine performance, fuel efficiency, and smoother combustion operation. Today's video is about top 5 best fuel injector that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at A premium fuel injector. This fuel injector is a reliable replacement option for a wide range of Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles. Its extensive compatibility covers many popular models, including the F-150, Expedition, Mustang, Bronco, Econoline, and Super Duty series, making it a practical choice for owners needing dependable fuel system performance. The injector is designed to match several OEM reference numbers, which helps ensure proper fitment and easier replacement. Once installed, it delivers consistent fuel flow that can improve engine responsiveness, idle stability, and overall driving performance. It's especially useful for restoring smooth operation in older vehicles experiencing rough idling, misfires, or poor fuel efficiency caused by worn injectors. Installation is straightforward for compatible engines, and the build quality feels solid enough for long-term daily driving use. The broad compatibility list is a major advantage, but buyers should still verify vehicle fitment carefully before purchasing. Overall, this fuel injector offers dependable performance, good value, and an effective solution for maintaining older Ford-based vehicles. Now our second product is A premium fuel injector. The A premium fuel injector is a dependable replacement option for many Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and Volkswagen vehicles equipped with the 3.6L V6 engine. Its wide compatibility makes it a practical choice for owners looking to restore engine efficiency and smooth performance without overspending. The injector features a durable metal and composite plastic design with pre-installed O-rings, helping simplify installation and ensure a proper seal. The 4-hole injector design delivers consistent fuel distribution, which can improve throttle response, idle quality, and fuel efficiency. It's especially useful for resolving issues like rough idling, engine hesitation, or misfires caused by worn injectors. The build quality feels solid, and the included 1-year unlimited mileage warranty adds extra confidence for long-term use. Matching multiple OEM reference numbers also makes it easier to confirm compatibility before purchase. Overall, this fuel injector offers reliable performance, good value, and straightforward installation, making it a smart replacement solution for maintaining the performance of 3.6L V6 vehicles. Our third product is SeyPon fuel injector. These fuel injectors are a solid replacement choice for a wide range of Chevy, GMC, Cadillac, Hummer, Buick, and Isuzu vehicles equipped with 4.8L, 5.3L, and 6.0L engines. The broad compatibility makes them especially useful for owners of Silverado, Tahoe, Yukon, Sierra, and Escalade models needing reliable fuel system performance. The injectors are precision manufactured and designed to deliver accurate fuel flow, which helps improve throttle response, engine smoothness, and fuel economy. They can also help reduce common issues such as rough idling. Build quality feels durable, and the strict quality control process adds confidence for long-term use. Installation is straightforward when confirming compatibility through Amazon's fitment tool and matching the OE numbers carefully. The included customer support is another advantage, with quick response times for any installation or fitment questions. Overall, these injectors offer dependable performance, good fuel efficiency improvements, and excellent value for maintaining GM-based trucks and SUVs. Now number 4, HiSport fuel injector. This HiSport fuel injector set is a reliable replacement option for a wide range of Ford, Lincoln, Mazda, and Mercury vehicles, including popular models like the Edge, Fusion, Taurus. With multiple OE cross-reference numbers, it offers good flexibility, but buyers should carefully verify compatibility and plug type before ordering to ensure a proper fit. The set includes 6 injectors made from metal and composite plastic, designed with a 4-hole configuration for smoother and more consistent fuel delivery. In real use, this helps improve engine starting, throttle response, and overall combustion efficiency, especially in varying temperature conditions. Build quality feels solid, and the injectors are engineered for accurate fuel control, which can help restore lost performance in aging engines. Installation is straightforward when matched correctly, but attention to detail is important due to fitment sensitivity. Overall, this is a practical and cost-effective injector set that delivers stable performance, smoother engine operation, and good value for compatible Ford-based vehicles. And our last choice is Kuttole fuel injector. This fuel injector set is a well-designed replacement option for a wide range of Acura, Honda, and Saturn vehicles, including popular models like the Accord, Odyssey, Pilot, MDX, TL, and Ridgeline. It offers broad OE compatibility, making it a practical choice for restoring engine performance in older or high-mileage vehicles. One of its strongest features is precise fuel atomization, with particle sizes under 50 micrometers, which helps ensure smoother combustion, improved throttle response, and better fuel efficiency. In real use, this can contribute to more stable idling and noticeable improvements in overall engine smoothness. The injectors also feature high-quality O-rings for strong sealing, reducing the risk of fuel leaks and engine vibration. Enhanced heat and impact resistance adds durability, with claims of a longer service life compared to standard options. Installation is straightforward as a direct replacement, though replacing the full set and proper cleaning is recommended for best results. Overall, this is a reliable, efficient, and durable injector solution for compatible Honda and Acura engines. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.